Gusto mo ba ng idea kung paano ma-maximize ang social media mo? Yung tipong additional source of income habang nagti-TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. We are building an empire using online. At marami sa community natin ang kumita during lockdown because of our proven online system. Who knows? Baka ikaw na yung next. Kaya tapusin mo ang maiksing video na ito hanggang dulo to find out more. Hi, this is Flor Angel of Zara Community. Kami ay mga online negosyante na nagtuturo at nagga-guide sa mga taong gustong magnegosyo like breadwinners or OFWs na naghahanap ng additional income part-time or online business pero hindi alam kung paano. We are Orbis Victus International, InsurTech Division of Alliance